Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Fiscal Philosophy YouTube channel. I'm going to try to make this one quick because I do have to head into the office, but I've been pounding the table on certain opportunities, one of which was high tide right before and after our interview with the CEO, Raj Grover, pictured here with his latest announcement. There are two new analysts that have begun coverage of high tide stock. More analyst coverage means potentially more attention from investors and institutions. This is only a good sign of things to come. They also recently closed a deal to acquire Remexian, which is a major player in the German medical market. In the last month, we have received over 50% increase in the share price of High Tide. So those who heeded the call and bought in have been rewarded. Those who have been longtime holders have been rewarded for their patience. But nowadays, I'm seeing a lot of people talking about price targets in the $5, $6, even $8 range. I think something like a $6 price target is plausible considering how substantial their recent acquisition was and the synergies with the existing business and Raj Grover's expertise in import-export, as well as their ongoing growth in retail and their excellence in that particular area. Stay tuned for more from High Tide as things continue to develop. Now, this next opportunity may be seen as the low-hanging fruit, but United Health has been quite good to me. I've only been in for around a month, maybe slightly longer, I don't remember the exact day of my first buys of shares on this, but this stock, when it was at the lowest of lows and Buffett was just a rumor, the 13Fs hadn't come out yet, it looked like a remarkable opportunity for a generally accepted as high quality business that, yes, did have some headwinds, but United Health is the kind of company where any headwind is almost definitely going to be temporary. They're beloved by super investors, institutions, heck, even members of Congress who, by the way, get lobbied heavily by them. So any type of regulatory action is likely going to be mitigated by their political investments, we'll say, and their lobbying efforts. So far, this stock has been extremely good to me, and I anticipate that at some point we will see prices back over $400 per share, just based on the quality of the underlying business, the stability, the moat, and the pricing power. So stay tuned for this one. If you haven't gotten it yet, it may not be too late to get a little bit of juice out of it, though I'm probably built out on this one. Last, but most certainly not least, is a big exercise in patience from myself, which is Grab. I started buying this thing probably in the low threes, so think like 317, 320 a share is when I was first interested in this stock, and I've been adding to it pretty consistently. However, at recent levels, not so much, because my basis is in the mid threes overall. It's like probably around 350 or so per share, I think, blended. So I'm sitting here saying, well, I've already got such a great basis. So for me, it's a hold, even though I think there is still some untapped value here. And the last week or so, it's been on a nice little run. Previously, it's had some trouble holding really consistently much past the $5 level, but now we've broken 550. And honestly, I think this could be the start of the momentum we've been hoping to see from this name. We just need them to continue to deliver on the fundamentals of the business, and I think the market will eventually catch up. In the time I've been following the stock, Grab's management has delivered quarter after quarter of operational excellence, and they have met or exceeded their guidance time and time again. And they just have such a great operational track record that I have immense confidence in this business. I'm also invested in Uber, so the core business model is one I believe in heavily. Grab also has their financial services, which almost is a combination of adding a SoFi on top of an Uber, which is just an incredible combination. I really look forward to seeing what Grab does in the coming months and even years. They're a truly remarkable business, and when I travel to Southeast Asia, I use the service frequently, so I do have that boots on the ground due diligence. It is quite good. In my view, every bit as good a user experience as using Uber. I've basically elevator pitched 3 stocks in the last 5 minutes, so let me know in the comments below what you think of these companies, if you're in them with me. If you're not yet convinced of their quality, also do the algo things, subscribe to my channel, help me grow it, like the video if you liked it, check out Discord in the description, catch me Saturday 8 p.m. Eastern, Cash Flow Kings Live. My Twitter is at Mr. Macho Mog. Feel free to reach out to me on there. Take it easy, everyone. Have a wonderful day.